This is our first sheet. Hindi ko lang magkano yan. First time ko nag-open. So, let's see. Another 3 packs. Assistant, pakihawak. Tingnan natin. Okay. One piece. Ano to? OP11. Ang hirap buksan naman na to. Ayan. First time ko magbubukas, guys. Check natin, ha. Okay. Sino to? Scale Neptune yan. Gotti. Randolph. Fisher Tiger again. Saldet. Gum Gum Cobra. Sino ito? Wow, si Lupi to. Nice, pero hindi siya yung hits. We have Ain. Bago to, hindi ko lala to Pakaboshi. We have Sanji. Binsmoke Niji pala, si Niji. Then we have Excalibur. Sino ito? Then what do we have here? Arlong, nice. Arlong Green, no? Then sa likod, 3,000. We have, dalawa na. Same Borsolini na naman. Grabe naman. Anyway, that's a good one. Yeah. Kizaru. Let's check. Second pack. That's for you, the other one. Okay. Oh, we have Queen Otohime. Mocha again. We have, Orochi. Nice. Kamukha ni mami mo. Ito pala kamukha ni mami mo, si Little Sadie. Si Kuya Tonton mo to. Si Chigi. Pedro. Si Pedro, bahay pa dito. Gongen Cobra. Same lang kanina. Hala. Si Xavier. Charlotte Daifuku. Then we have Burp. Meron tayong silver na naman. Ilan pa ba to? Who is this, guys? Lupi, no? What's this? Honesty Impact. Si ano to? Si Kobe to. Wow, nice. Honesty Impact ni Kobe. First, we got this one. Pero parang golden siya, guys. Gold na Nice one. Honesty Impact of Kobe. Anong nasa likod? Wala. Pareho lang. Then behind, we have Arlong again. Dalawang Arlong na rin. Okay. Last. Same. Last one. Last pack. Check natin. Let's see if we can get a hit. But we did get one. Okay, sino to? Sud mo dito, bi. Konti. Yan. Anyabal. Smoker. Fishman Island. Kulay blue. Ganyan ba yan? Hit ba yan or hindi? Scale na ito yan. Ishibili. Karibo. Binsmoke. My favorite, Nico Robin. Charlotte. Then behind, Charlotte Praline. And who is this? Shirahoshi. And behind Shirahoshi is ding 4,000. Masyadong si Shirley lang, guys. Pero ang hit natin si lang talaga. Ito lang, Honesty Impact. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.